September 27th, 1942. 6,14 AM, Richmond, California. Kaiser Shipyard, number 2. Fog clings to the water like a held breath. The bay is steel gray, unmoving. A siren cuts through the morning low, mechanical, impatient. Men and women in coveralls pour through the gates, lunch pails swinging, boots striking wet concrete in uneven rhythm. Somewhere, a rivet gun coughs awake. Somewhere else, a ship waits to be born. You can almost feel it, the pressure of the clock. Not a wall clock, a war clock. Across the Atlantic, U-boats are already hunting. They glide just beneath the surface, patient as sharks, tallying tonnage with every torpedo they fire. Another freighter goes down in flames. Another convoy scatters. Another cargo of food, fuel, tanks gone. The sea is winning. And here, on the edge of San Francisco Bay, a civilian in a hard hat is about to attempt something no shipbuilder has ever done before. His name is Henry J. Kaiser. He is not a naval officer. He is not an admiral. He has never designed a warship in his life. What he has designed, roads, dams, concrete empires, has always followed one rule: build fast, or don't build at all. At 6:18 a.m., the keel of a Liberty ship rests on the blocks. Cold steel, inert. Officially, it should take more than 200 days to turn that steel into a vessel capable of crossing a U-boat-infested ocean. Kaiser intends to do it in less than 5. In Washington, the math is brutal. Britain is bleeding ships. October 20, 1942. 11,3 M. Richmond, California. The champagne bottle swings once, misses, then shatters against the bow in a burst of white foam and glass. The Liberty ship SS Robert E. Peary slides into the water. From keel laying to launch, 4 days, 15 hours, and 29 minutes. Men on the pier stare, stunned. A few cheer, others don't move at all, as if their bodies haven't caught up with what their eyes just witnessed. The shipyard loudspeakers crackle with applause. That sounds almost embarrassed, like the world isn't sure it's allowed to celebrate yet. Henry Kaiser doesn't raise his arms. He checks his watch. He knows something no one else here does. This wasn't a stunt. This was a warning. Within weeks, the numbers become impossible to ignore. 1 Liberty ship every 4 days, then every 3, then 1 every day. By early 1943, Kaiser yards alone are launching ships faster than Germany can sink them. Across the United States, Richmond, Portland, Baltimore, mobile yards adopt the same methods. Prefabrication, welding, relentless repetition. The Atlantic, for the first time since 1939, feels crowded. Convoys grow longer, gaps close, lost charts flatten, and in the dim control rooms of German U-boats, something deeply unsettling begins to happen. They sink a ship, and another one takes its place. Kapitänleutnant Otto Kretschmer, ace of the U-boat fleet, once boasted that the Allies would never outbuild Germany's submarines. Tonnage January 14th, 1943, 2:37 a.m. North Atlantic. The night is moonless. The sea is black glass, rising and falling in long, heavy breaths. Snow needles sideways across the deck, driven by wind so cold it stings through wool and skin. A Liberty ship name lost to the dark plows forward at 11 knots. Then the sound comes. Not an explosion, not a torpedo. A deep, metallic crack, sharp, sudden, final. You can almost feel it through your boots. In the engine room, gauges shudder. A wrench slides off a workbench. Somewhere below the waterline, steel that has never known this cold gives up. The hull begins to split. Men run. Orders are shouted. Lifeboats jam in their davits, frozen solid. The ship bends in the middle, like something alive, trying not to break. Then it does. The Liberty ship snaps in two. No enemy in sight. Just physics. By dawn, the ocean is empty. No smoke, no wreckage, no survivors, and no explanation that anyone wants to hear. Reports like this begin to pile up on desks in Washington and at Kaiser headquarters. Ships cracking, ships failing without warning. Engineers circle the word brittle fracture in red pencil. But that phrase means little to a sailor watching his deck tear open. The critics return, louder now. They say the speed has gone too far, that welding is flawed, that prefabrication ignores stress, that the ships are unsafe. For a moment, just a moment, the miracle wobbles. Kaiser does something unexpected. He stops. Not the yards. Never the yards. But the